Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. It's time for an update of my lip service project Pan that I'm doing here with the PANtastic ladies. I will, as always, have all of their information linked down below. You should check them out as well. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first item, which is the lip scrub. This is the e.l.f. Cherry Tart Lip Scrub. This was my first item, and thank God that this is done. So it was up here and then down here, and then it was just a little bit below that, but I didn't bother to mark it. And now, as you can see, it is done. Is there still product in there? Yes. Yes, there is. This was $3 and I don't like it. So that's where that product's gonna stay. And this is going in the bin. I am not a fan. I liked it at first, but it seems like a good idea at the time. It's just very, what is it that I'm trying to say? It's like really scratchy, but then at the same time, it doesn't really feel like it's exfoliating. I don't know, I just didn't like it. So that one is gone, and we're gonna move on to the next item. So next I have a lip balm. This was the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Peppermint Hydrating, Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. Okay, so I will just be inserting pictures here for you guys so you can see where I was and where I am. But anyway, this guy right here, we are right here. So let me just, there you go. So you can see that. It's getting pretty close. Yeah, it's lip balm. It's good. I like it. Getting through it. It shouldn't take too much longer. I think I should have this done by the next update. So there's that. Then we had this Model Co. Illusion lip liner. Let me just go ahead and show you this. So that's what that looks like. I'm not really a lip liner person, so you won't see me buying any. I have enough. And I have decluttered a few, but I may or may not declutter more, but here it is. It's getting on the older side, so I just wanted to put it in this project to remind myself to use it, and it has worked. I have used it more. Model Co. Illusion lip liner, yeah. Now, my next product was this Tarte Lip Surgeons in Wonder. Oh boy, so it's flat, but you see, I will show you with the cap. Gosh, those wear off pretty quick. But I don't know if you can see the lines there. There's the silver line, you see it. Let's check it. I really haven't made any progress. I've used it a couple of times. I'm not using it. I really need to make a push for this and just use it, because it's getting to that point where I'm just gonna throw it away here if I can't get more use out of it. So there's that. And then we have this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Pasadena. It still smells pretty good. So you can't really see any progress in there, but I don't know if you can see, but there is this little window here. So it's going. So for the lip gloss, I had this Noya. It's the color is Malbec. It's just a Noya lip gloss. You can kind of see, I don't know if you'll be able to, yeah, you see that there. It's moving. It was there and then it was up and now it's down again. I don't know what's going on with this stuff, but I use this, I like it. I'll just keep using it, that's not an issue. So it's hard to see progress, it's hard to mark progress. It has been standing up, I promise. So you can see it's gone down a little bit, but it's never really that consistent. So it can be deceiving. I can't really count on that, but I'm just gonna keep using it. I enjoy it. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some new items. So because I ran out of that e.l.f. lip scrub, I'm gonna bring this guy in. It's the Honolulu lip scrub. What's it called? Sugar lip scrub. And I will show you that this guy right here is untouched, completely full. It smells good. It's sugar. It has that like kind of cane sugar, like raw sugar, kind of a scent to it, like a flavor. So it's really nice. So I haven't used this at all. It's replacing the e.l.f. lip scrub. And I'm actually so excited to be using this now because I know it's going to be like a million times better than that. And I'm glad it's gone. And now you know why I'm not trying to dig the product out, because I'm over it. I'm just over it. It took me a year to use that up. I didn't like it. I don't think it did a very good job. I don't know why I kept using it, but it's gone. So I'm excited. But anyways, I'm excited to use this, and this is going to be great. So we'll be bringing that in. Now, I do have a chapstick in this project. Obviously, we just talked about that. But I think I want to go ahead and bring something else in because I generally keep one in my bag and one at my vanity. And so this is the one I keep up here, the Honolulu lip treatment. So this guy is the one. I'm going to add this in and we're just going to see how it goes. I'm just going to change up my lip service just a little bit because I don't really like how it's going. So we're just going to just take this opportunity to switch it up just a little bit. So got an eyebrow itch. Okay, so these two are coming in. All right, let's move on. First though, let's have a little sip of coffee before it gets cold. That is good, yes. Isn't it cute? I love my coffee cup. It's so cute. It's the Snow White Poison Apple from Disney. I love it. It's adorable. Okay, so we got the lip treatment and the lip scrub. We've got that covered. Now let's move on to lipsticks because this I want to change as well. I want to change this up. I do have this. I feel like I don't have. I'm going through a lot of other lip products for using my lipsticks, and then I just have this one and one liquid lipstick in here, and I just don't think that's working for me because I feel like I need more options. It's really hard for me to just use this. So also I was realizing that I'm neglecting stuff that I love that, don't get me wrong. But I love a lot of my lip products and I don't want them to go bad. So what I'm gonna do is, these are not that old, but these are my Bite. This is like that kit that came with 4. It's sugarcane, honeycomb, rhubarb, and cayenne. They're beautiful. They're food grade. Like, I'm literally never gonna get through these before they go bad if I don't use them. So I'm bringing all of these in. I will just quickly swatch them for you. And actually, let me just swatch all these other ones too so we know what's going on here. So just so you know. All right, so here we go. So these are all of my current pieces that have color. So this is the lip liner. This is the Ofra in Pasadena. That's the Tarte Lip Surgeons in Wonder. And that's my Noya lip gloss in the color Malbec. So that's all my stuff that carries over. Now let's go ahead and use this hand for the new stuff. Okay, these are my 4 Bite swatches. So we have here, we have sugarcane, we have honeycomb right here. We have rhubarb, and then we have cayenne. These are gorgeous, and they have like a 6-month shelf life or whatever, you know, expiry. So I want to get some use out of these. They're so gorgeous. So the direction I'm taking with this project is, instead of just using things that I haven't used and are still sitting here and are old, let's use some things I love, and I love those. I do like the lip gloss. You know, I do like the lip colors, but you know, if they're old, it's because I haven't been, and they're not gone, it's because I haven't been gravitating towards them. So let's pick these out. Let's get this done before they expire. They smell good. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and introduce those 4 items. And then also I have another Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. I want to go ahead and swatch over here with the, I guess we'll put it with the new stuff, right? The stuff I'm adding in. Oh, a joy. So this Ofra lipstick is in, what the hell is it called? Yeah. So this is Americano. It's a nice brown. I'm going to add this in as well because I have had this for a while as well. So I'm going to add that in. I'm also, just so you know, I'm going to be putting some things in to decide, like to make some decisions. It's okay if I don't like something and if it has to go. Okay. So this is what we're doing now. So I'm also going to bring in this Manicadar. It's called All of Me. It's just a liquid lipstick. It's not a matte lipstick that dries down. So it's just a liquid lipstick. Okay. So there it is right there. It's very pretty. I don't reach for it though. So we'll see how I like it, right? See how that goes. Okay. So one more item. I want to go ahead and bring in another lip gloss because I do really love this lip gloss and I have had it for a while and I need to get more use out of it. It is a Trust Fund Beauty. It's the Lipgasm lip gloss and it's in Method to the Madness is the color. And just so you know, like I had already decided this was coming into this project and it was full. It is now, I don't know if you can see this. Let me just, I can see it. It's right here. So I have actually gotten a ton of use out of this. So let me just swatch it for you with the other new items that I'm bringing in. There it is right there. That is the Trust Fund Beauty Method to the Madness. It doesn't look like much, but I am wearing it today over a lipstick from Melt Cosmetics called Laced. It's just a deep nude. Gonna be using that. Need another sip of coffee. Oh my God. Okay, so just so you know, if you keep hearing like this weird screechy sound, this is not a horror movie. There is a tree branch that is kind of leaning onto my window, and when the wind blows, it screeches across the window. It's really fun in the middle of the night. Just saying, it is creepy, but that is what that is. So anyway, I think we're good for lip service. I think it's gonna be, I'm looking all over the place. I'm looking at my lip products and everything, but I think it's gonna be really exciting. I think it's gonna be a lot more fun for me now. And I think I'm really gonna get a lot of use out of these items now that I have some things I'm really actually excited to be using in here. Like just excited. Like I've been trying to pan that for 2 years. Okay. I mean, maybe not 2 years, but that Tarte Lipstick Surgeons. This thing has been going, I mean, look, see the star? I've had this in a pan for probably 2 years. And I just keep like, I didn't like it at first and then I liked it. And it's, you know, I like it now, but oh my gosh, it needs to go. This is the last month for the older items before I have to make a decision. So I may just chuck them next time. We'll see. I am from now on going to use this project to kind of just make some decisions like that and just... So I want to use these because the Bite lipsticks because they're food grade. But apart from that, like I will be making decisions on older lip products. And a lot of it's going to be liquid because I'm just not feeling the liquid lipsticks as much. They need to be special if they're going to be in my collection, formula-wise or color-wise, or both, you know. But at any rate, that's what's going on. This is the old, this is the new. That's a good bunch, right? This is great. This is going to be so much fun. I have a good variety. If I want to get into a crazy color, I'll pull that out too, and we will deal with that in another series using my lipsticks. At any rate, this is what we've got. This is the end of the video because I'm rambling now. Yeah, so that's everything, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and it's gonna be really fun. So I will see y'all next time. Bye.